when you're recording a Zoom meeting, you can include timestamps on the recording. So here's a meeting that I recorded earlier, and you can see the timestamp. Now, nobody can see the timestamp while the meeting is running, but it will appear on the recording afterwards. And if you're recording to the cloud, you can also record the name of the speaker if you want, but that's not an option for recording to your local computer. So where do you set these timestamps? Well, it depends on whether you are recording locally on this computer or to the cloud. So on the desktop in the Zoom app, you go to the top left, zoom.us, to Preferences, and then you select Recording. Now for local recordings, you can add the timestamp here. Cloud recording, it's a little bit different. You've got to click Manage here, close that up, then go to Settings here over in the top right. And this is where you can add a timestamp, and only on the cloud recording you can display participants' names in the recording itself. Click Save, and then you can start your recording.